there, friend. It's me, Pastel. And today we're drawing this very wiggly little inchworm. Let's give it a try. So first, I'm going to open my special sketchbook to a fresh new page and choose any color you like. Today I'm using green. And the first thing we'll do for our inchworm is we're going to draw a big wiggly shape. So I like to start low, little curve, then go way up, then back down, and another little curve up. It looks kind of like a hill, doesn't it? Okay, now from this side, let's add another curved line for our inchworm's head, and then we will follow this curved line underneath all the way back to his tail. Okay, now let's give him an eye so he can see us. And let's give him some little feet. Inchworms have little tiny feet in the front and little tiny feet in the back so they can scoot along branches and twigs. Okay, now let's give our inchworm some little lines. Try to angle your lines so that they follow the way the inchworm curves. And there we are! There's our sweet wiggly inchworm. Oh, isn't he so cute? Oh, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy we were able to draw together. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere you go.